All right, on location at the dog pound, working on the bulletproof bomb acquisition from a friend of mine. What are we doing today? Oh, hold it. It's June 26th, more importantly, and that'd be a Wednesday. Basically, the OG Gambler event should be kicking off. There should be people up there already. Anyway, we're going to take a flight out that way. Quick little 900-mile bounce. And go hang out with some peeps, man. But first, we got to do a little work on the bomb. So, thing's been noisy as hell ever since I got it. I kind of wondered why, and I got underneath here, and first thing I saw was Latin. I said, okay, that explains it. That's louder. We got a blown there, but here was what I didn't see that at first. I happened to come around the right way and look, and it's like, ow. Well, that explains a lot. So, we will be pulling this down. I'm going to get something in there, pull it down, clean it up. I'll put a patch on that. I'm going to hack that right there and there. We're going to get the mount back in it. Maybe see if we can plug in the back O2 sensor. Was thinking about getting rid of the cat, but I think I'll go ahead and leave it. It probably is all right. So anyway, those are the things that are in line for today, aside from doing an oil change on this old girl. She ain't had one done in a while. Giving it a general check over. Everything seems to be pretty good. That's actually up in its mounts up there, although that one's ripped. That one's not bad. That one, I wonder if they ripped it intentionally. No. We need to throw some love on that and get him sucked up in there. It's looking like a pick apart mission when I don't got time to do a pick apart mission, but we're going anyway. So we will be going full send on this here in a minute. I'm about 100% sure the money's worked out. I'm gonna have to change the headlight buckets or buy some custom headlights for it that fit those buckets. I'm not sure which is gonna be easier. Gonna be money out of pocket right now. I don't want to spend either way, but you know what? It is what it is. So anyway, you guys probably ain't seen too much of this. This come in on a trade. It's been in the seen around the yard. It's a 2000-ish Accord. Got a proper cold air kit. I'm sure I need to change that filter. I'm really thinking about turning it, stuffing it up through the hood and calling it a day. Keep it out of the shit, but let's see what else. It's supposedly been chipped. She really comes alive after about $4,000. Do I got cords showing already? That one. Okay, I'm gonna change these. Flip them to the back. We're gonna do tire rotation. We're gonna get her tuned up. This is a super quickie. If I can figure out a way to rig up the camera right quick, I guess I could bring you along on the exhaust project, but that's going to be part 2 for the day. So until then, good day and thanks. See y'all in Oregon.